Let's see how we can export an ARCHLine.XP model into a file that Revit users can open and use. In this example, we will show you how you can export Revit files and what information can be exported with the model. When sharing a project with someone on the team who uses Revit, it can be a problem when the compatibility between the two programs is not 100%. ARCHLine.XP solves the problem by exporting both the 3D model and all the BIM parameters into the native Revit file format. The compatibility enables architects and engineers to work together on the project simultaneously, which saves time and money for all parties. Here is another project in which we add BIM parameters to the walls. Click on the Assign BSD Declassification button in the File menu and select the walls in the 3D view. Search for a thermal parameters in the database and select the required parameter. Add two thermal conductivity parameters and click OK to accept the changes. Export the modified project in RVT file format. Now the file will contain all BIM parameters that we just added to the project. In the native RVT file, you can check the BIM parameters of each element separately. You can see in the list both of the values we added in ARCHLine.XP.